Imagine a flash of light so powerful it outshines an entire galaxy, but only for a few seconds. That's a gamma ray burst. GRBs are the universe's most energetic explosions, blasting out intense gamma radiation across billions of light years. Back in the 1960s, Cold War satellites meant to detect nuclear tests accidentally caught mysterious gamma flashes coming from deep space. It took decades to realize this wasn't human tech. It was something cosmic, something far more powerful. There are two main types. Short GRBs last under 2 seconds. They're thought to be caused by the collision of neutron stars, ultradense stellar corpses. Long GRBs can last minutes. These come from the death of massive stars collapsing into black holes, triggering jets of radiation. GRBs don't explode in all directions. They blast narrow, high-energy jets, like cosmic blowtorches. And we only see a GRB if one of those jets points directly at Earth. That's why they're rare in our skies, but incredibly violent. So, could a GRB wipe us out? Possibly. If one went off within our galaxy, aimed straight at us, it could strip away Earth's atmosphere. But don't panic. There's no known threat right now. Still, some scientists think a GRB may have caused a mass extinction on Earth millions of years ago. GRBs are cosmic lighthouses that help us map the early universe. Some GRBs we detect today are from billions of years ago, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. They're like time machines, letting us study the first stars and galaxies. Space telescopes, like NASA's Swift and Fermi, are constantly scanning the skies. When they detect a GRB, they alert astronomers in real time to point telescopes at the afterglow, a rapidly fading light that holds key data about the explosion's origin. Gamma ray bursts are terrifyingly beautiful, brief flashes of unimaginable power that remind us just how wild the universe can be. They destroy, they enlighten, and they challenge everything we thought we knew about space. Want to know more about neutron stars, black holes, or space-time? Subscribe, drop a comment in the comments, and let's explore the cosmos together.